Hey everybody, today I want to show off two new integrations we recently added to Notehub, Arduino Cloud and Blynk. This video is going to be a quick high-level overview of these two integrations just so you can kind of see how they work. And if you want full tutorials that walk through the details of how to implement them, those will be in this video's description. All right, let's start with Arduino Cloud, which is Arduino's platform for managing connected devices. And what you're seeing on the right-hand side of my screen is a simple little dashboard I built for an Arduino device that I have sitting over on my desk over here. Now to make this work, I'll switch to the Notehub project that I have tied to this. I've got one device, and if I go over to my routes, you'll see that I have our new Arduino route configured, and that this route is really very simple. In fact, all you have to do is create it and enable it to make the integration between these two platforms work. The other thing you have to do is you have to go to each device that you intend to use along with Arduino Cloud and add two environment variables. And again, our tutorials will walk you through the specifics of how to do this, but this is the one piece of configuration you need to make so that as this device is sending data through, Notehub knows to connect that and send that data over to Arduino Cloud. On the firmware side, to use this integration, you must use Arduino's IoT Cloud library, which I have imported over here. And we actually work directly with the Arduino team to add no-cart support directly to this library. And what you're seeing here is an example that I pulled directly from the built-in examples that come with this library. And the only two things you need to do here is provide your Notehub product UID, which I have here, and then the values that you would like to use as part of your dashboarding systems or whatever you plan to do with them in Arduino Cloud, where you define them, and then you just provide a little configuration about how that data should be sent back and forth. Once configured, you just let the note card handle all the connectivity tied to that device, whether that's outbound data, like the temperature data that's flowing out from my device, or inbound data, like this switch I have here for managing the LED on my Arduino device over there on my desk. Our second integration, Blynk, lets you build fully customizable web and mobile applications from your device data. I have examples of both. What you're seeing over here is a quick little web dashboard I built for my device. And if I drag over my phone mirror, I did the same thing on Blynk's iOS app, just threw a little dashboard together. It was really pretty simple. To get this integration, you have to take a few steps in Blynk and a few in Notehub. So on the Blynk side of things, you have to start by enabling the Blues integration. It's down over here. You provide a client ID in secret from your Notehub project. And then once you make that connection, Blynk will prompt you to import your devices from Notehub directly, and then to set up what they call a data stream, which is defined over in here. And it's just a mapping of the values that you want to use that are being published as Notehub events and how you want those to end up in Blynk. In Notehub, you once again have to create a route. So for the project I'm using here, I have a Blynk route. And actually, all you have to do here is just provide your region. And this is the region that your Blynk console is running in. And you can find it down here in the bottom corner of the screen. So there's a really quick look at our integrations with Arduino Cloud and Blynk. And overall, I think the really cool thing about Notehub is it lets you just very easily tie in and tap into these other platforms. So you can try them out. You can see what you think. You can go through these tutorials, honestly, in really a couple of minutes and get them up and running. And that's it for today, but if you want to stay up to date on the latest and greatest here at Blues, you can sign up for our developer newsletter at dev.blues.com/developer-news.